Good morning. It's March 25th, 2023. This is the Wall Street Weekly Wrap-Up with your host, John Newquist. And another exciting week with the Feds and the stocks. So let's take a look at it. First, we had ExxonMobil and the oil sector go down below 70. Got down to 66 before clawing its way back up to 69 this week. You can see energy's been tough. That's why we sold Kinder Morgan. We're underweight energy now. We'll keep one just to be in the game, but you can see that the chart is not good. It's not what you want. It broke the blue support line way below the 50 and 10-day moving average, and so is it below the 200? It's right at it. So not good. We'll see what's happening with energy as we go on. The Fed raised the rates up quarter a point, and that's not a surprise. 3 weeks ago it was going to be half a point. Right after the collapse of Silicon Valley Bank, it was going to be 0. Now 0.25. But I thought it was interesting. The chart of the Dow, it just dropped 500 points. I mean, that's just incredible. I mean, it was just like, whoop, 500 points after this one. And comments were, that they don't see rate cuts this year, and the bank problem means soft landing's not going to be happening probably. So a lot of issues. Stats of the week: gas is still under 3, gold's almost 2,000. Copper is in this nice wedge. Will it go above it or below it? We're not sure. But if it does go above it, we can see it run up back up to upper 4. So a lot of people watching copper. A lot of people think with China coming back, the metals are going to be back up again. And then the NASDAQ, we were at the best at 18%. We're getting there, 13% now. We'd already got down to single digits, and now it's come back. And, well, you have to have some Alka-Seltzer for this. The big caps for the S&P 500 means the Dow has been negative this year. The Qs, which represent the NASDAQ, are in an uptrend. That's good. And we're all hoping it keeps on going better, because I think it might be the year of the NASDAQ. And square is block is square. Hindenburg Research said that they were lying on the monthly users, the revenues per transaction, and everything else. And of course, Block came back later and said it was false. But the end result is it broke below the blue support line, and that's not good. And how far will it go? 50 is their next level of support. Everybody's watching it. FinTech has just been beat up, and we're underweight financials, and I'm going to put Block in the financials area too, but it's not a good sector right now. And the REITs have always been a problem. Downgrading every single REIT seems like, hybrid work means less office needed, layoffs means less office needed, and a lot of people think it's going to get worse before it's better. So, the one we have in our sector is WPC. It was good, doing great, and then it dropped, and now will it come back down to the other lows? We don't know. It's past what I call an ugly chart, but we're going to keep one REIT and stay in the real estate sector, and we'll see how it goes. NVDA, the iPhone moment of AI has started, said Jensen Huang of the NVDA CEO, and that chart is off the parabolic. If you bought it in October, you doubled your money on one of the top 10 largest stocks. Doubled your money. Not bad. Deutsche Bank, just like Credit Suisse, having some issues with credit high swaps, and everybody's starting to sell. And is there going to be a bank run? The Germans are going to support the bank. They do not want this to collapse. So another one, and every week it seems to be another bank. And we sold KMI. Good chart, before the month, but now it's broke below the blue level of support, and now it's at the resistance. Will it go below 10 or not? I remember KMI being single digits. So if you get something crazy like $5 again, I'm going to buy it. The dividend will be huge by then too. But again, underweight real estate, financial, and energies, communication services, and information technology is going to do well, and it's done well for us. So let's be safe this week. Don't make any crazy trades, and I'll see you next week. Thank you.